And welcome everyone. Welcome to another day of development, another day of struggle through the creation of the best game ever made, Space Odyssey Arena. And right out of the gate, let's just jump into it. And today I'm going to explore a different way of the collision of our spaceship. And what I mean is that we have the two ships. Let me just make my head world instances ship. So at the moment we have these two ships, ships 1 and ship 2. So what is happening is that each ship has got several different collisions. So for example, we have one collision on the front that is supposed to represent the gun. So what does it mean? This means that if a projectile hit this part, the front part of the ship, it will damage the it will damage the gun, meaning that it's not we have separate HP for each section of the ship, right? An example, 10 for the gun, 10 for the wings, and 10 for the engine that is supposed to be the back of the ship, this part. And this is true for both of the you can see the collision shapes. So in this case, and when the bullet hit the ship, I'll show you what I mean. The specific area is damaged. So the efficiency of the specific area is decreased. So for example, if you have here the damage received, and here it is calculate percent damage. So if the damage of the area is a percentage of the missing HP. So that seems a neat idea. So this definitely looks like a good idea, but it is definitely not in line with the, well, it's not in line, but I'm not sure if this is in line with the core idea that I want to put into this game. And this game I want to be a pretty high speed PvP. That means that if I add too many variables and mechanics that slow down the game, it would shift to a more strategic. So it's a different type of game that is not what I'm trying to create here. It is definitely, I would definitely keep it, but for now I want to try to create two different model, and those two models, I mean, I just can create one just start, and to have only one small hitbox where the pilot is seemingly sitting. Meaning it should, well, first it should have a more shoot 'em up bullet hell kind of feeling. That is important. And then I think it's going to simplify the gameplay without taking any of the depth out. So that's what I'm going to do. So let me just check where I'm at with the ships. Okay, so I created this database of available ships for the player. So where I am, I really like the Godot editor, where I create the menu. So first of all, I'm going to try to create the new ship. So let me see if I've another body ready to go. Yeah, because I've downloaded I've bought a pack of planes, so I have a few more that I can try. So yeah, I have plenty pre-made. I'm not sure if I'm going to keep this art for the final release, but let's bring the blue. I think I'm going to bring the blue one in. So okay, so let's import that. Plane that number 8. So import the plane number 8. Let's duplicate ship number 3. Open the scene. Open 2D. And first things first, replace the sprite. It's a pretty easy one. And the thing that we want to do is to remove those collisions. And also the main collision shape. So where is the bullet position? The bullet is already there, that is fine. So I want to change, so let's change this main collision. Probably is, I can get a new one actually. Collision. Oh no, it's a collision shape, sorry. Oh no, it's a polygon. Ah, am I retarded? Oh, I can't say that word. Okay. So for example, what if I just want to the projectiles collide to the center. Okay, that seems decent. Collision shape. Sorry, this is for the physics. So let's quickly draw the physics. Damn me. We're going to be super precise, but at least a little bit. follow the shape of this sprite. All right, and let's keep going. So much. This is, well, I'm not going the double whammy. Okay, let's do that. Let's do that. Oh. Okay, so I should have the physics for this. It's okay. It's not great. So now let me create the menu for this. Available. Where is it? Where are the available? Yeah, this it would be loaded from the database or whatever. Plane 8. So this Android is not there. See, I can already see that this is not great because it's exactly the same function. I'm just changing the number. This could be definitely refactored. And a single player. Let's load the. Oh man, I'm so used to VS Code. Yeah. Okay. Third ship. So we're just adding another else if ship 3 or ship 3. Yeah, this is also another way that is not great. Dynamic. I mean, that's okay. I'm not going to have 1 million ship. Well, not for now. So now, if I think that it would be fine. It's definitely not centered. That is. It is awful. This feels so different. Because the physics is not for this sprite. It just makes no sense at all. I mean, it's okay. I don't know what it is, but it feels that it's just sliding. Oh, you can't hit me. Is that correct? So let me see if you can. Oh no, you can still hit me. Why you can hit me? Oh, you can hit me because, yes. You can hit me because these all of these sheep they expand the player, they extend the player. So I have all the collision shapes inside player that I'm going to remove. In this case, they rocks. In this case, I should be immortal. Oh fuck. That didn't work. That didn't work. That is interesting. Anyway, who cares? So what I want to do, I keep only one of those, this one or whatever, and I change this here, and we can test if that thing is working or not. Probably not, but isn't that the best thing? What happened to the Lofi? And what happens if I do this? Yeah, remove that. Remove that. And oh, video paused. Oh, since when YouTube pause itself if I'm not? Damn you. So now, yes, now I'm immortal. He can, yes, see, he cannot hit me. Well, that's how I win. Oh, damn, no! I can't even win with... So that is working. That is working. Well, it's working in a very weird way. I don't think that is the best. I mean, it's fun. Yes. Whoa. I mean, that's okay because See, the gun, it's speed 0, so it's still doing he's doing fine, and he's only hitting the right hitbox. So that is the right behavior. The homing missile looks funny, but come on, stop. I mean, it's got a lot more area. Damn it. It's had a new feature because if I can avoid the first homing missile, and because the stop it! Oh, come on! Oh man! I was saying, if I can keep avoiding the first homing missile, there can be only one. Oh. On the other hand, the point is that yeah, I think that if I use this, the person need to be much clearer. Come on, I'm going to win this. The strat is always this one. And then you turn into your own bullets. Oh, come on! I mean, I can't win even cheating, giving myself the... Oh, come on. The worst. I think it's okay. So now the question is, it's better to have the collision only here or to have a bigger collision so, well, let me first change this collision to actually do something different. I call this actually, what if the player can choose the type of ship that he wants. Is there any reason in the world why you would prefer a larger hitbox instead of the small hitbox? Is there any reason in the world why would you do that? You could do that if a larger hitbox would give you armor or something like that. That is stupidly complicated, isn't it? So let me rename this set of gun. I call it core. This again is core collision. And there was a sound of brain fart. So I edit this connection. What is it connecting to? Which script am I using? Oh, the script is added. This is interesting. So the script that I'm using is single player add player script. In this case, add good bloke. Okay, so here I'm going to create another function, whatever this here is, that is on core area shape entered. And we're going to print this is a nice one. Snug. Let me open player local. Oh, I need to rename this. Oh, okay, this is interesting. Do I need to create? Okay. This should be player local. If I don't have the pretty sure that I'm oh yeah, the connection are here. I don't know, I have a massive brain fart. I need to connect to self. I need to connect to self. And then on single player, no, on whatever the implementation is, player local, this is the name of the function that I need to connect, but it connected to self. Wow. That's a complicated, I mean, not really. So disconnect, connect. on core. So you're not allowing to do this. I can do it from here. Who cares? From core. This should do it. Or it should break everything, one or the other. Ah, damn. Oh, I didn't save. Okay, so at this point, I need to save. I'm going back here. Okay, let me create the. So from core to on core area shape entered, right? I mean, probably the right way of doing it is connecting at runtime. But let's see if this works. The following file is on disk, reload. Yes, that's definitely. Yeah, now I can definitely win. I broke the game so I can win. This is a pro strat, pro player game. Pro player. Look at the dodge. Die. Come on. No. Yes. Woo. So what happened there? The wiggly wiggle. It is working. Is it in the core? But if you remember, we just created this core function that is not doing anything. So it's perfectly fine. I think I'm going to have another go because I found it pretty fun. Basically, not even the other. Oh yeah. Oh, you can't touch me. Yes. Okay. I like this. This is a pro player move, bro. No. Oh yeah. And that's a pretty different note. That's a pretty sharp turn that this projectile does. It's collapsing. Do I want to add some? Nah, it's fine. Okay. So let's let make this do something. So let me. So for now, let me just remove the bullet. Calculate damage. Let me see. this taking into account so many things that are not implemented, like armor pierce. I mean, if the shield is on, you just don't take damage. Yeah. Well, that's okay. Let's do things as they are supposed to do. I mean, I'm calculating damage. Oh, because I need that value. Okay. Oh, my curse. And then this is also only cockpit damage. This, I think, is a good way. It's definitely an improved way, because it's pretty keen, but now you can hit me, but that's me. I can, if I put a logic that if, okay, you can hit me with the bullet. Now it's pretty hard to miss, but if I do something that if it swings by a couple of times, it disappears. It does mean that you need to be a lot more precise with the skill shot. I mean, this is a homing missile. It's not really a skill shot. You just need to right click. That is. It's just risk. I mean, there is skill on right clicking the mouse, I guess. But I think I don't dislike this. Yeah, I think that also you can juke around. Look at this. Whoa, 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 whoa. You can juke around. I think it's till if you have the shield on cooldown, for example, you can start. Come on. So, but the problem is that on this kind of thing, the right strategy, it seems to be just run the face of the opponent. Is relentlessly fighting. He doesn't even care because he's pretty much perfect on timing the shield. Is it perfect? Oh, okay. I like this. And shield. Yeah, I like this. Because it's allowed to dodge it. Yeah. So the cooldown on the shield now is 2.5 seconds. I think something like that. It is slightly higher. Well, technically there is no cooldown on the skill shot, but the computer has 2.5 seconds. So I can dodge a couple of times and then shield. 1, 2, shield. Nice! 1, 2, shield. Shield. This could be a tutorial. 1, 2, shield. Ah, no! If you shield inside, you got hit by the thing. So the problem that I have. Oh, come on! bullets are too fast. Yes, I think it's fine. It's much easier. Oh yeah, it's easier because it's got the full hitbox. I just have the mini. Well, that's okay. I mean, yeah. Okay, let me do one thing. I want to highlight the area of the hitbox. So, how I can to have a node that is a polygon? Do I have a polygon? A shape. Oh, shape 2D. Polygon 2D. It's not the thing. There we go. Okay. Oh, yeah. It's fine. It's visible. What? Can do some. Oh, someone's juking. Oh, damn it. It's so odd. I'm also a little bit. It's also a little bit. Drinking. So I think I'm going to get another one of this style, another ship of this style, because I think it's the way to go. So ship number 4. Same idea. I'm going to give this to the enemy, so I'm pretty sure I won't be able to hit anything. but we're going to use a different plane. Plane 6 seems fun. Oh no, here. So let's change the sprite. No. Let's change the red one. Ship number 4. Let's change the sprite. See? It's already there. Let me see. Yeah, the core is already there. The main shape is a little bit off, but we're probably not going to take too much time to redraw it. And good to go. So I'm redrawing. Yeah, I'm going to do this one. This would be super nice to have the bullet position from one of those. I'm going to do that. It should work. So you know what would be super cool? To have in this case to have maybe 2 bullet positions, one for each gun, and fire from the first one, then from the second one, then from the third one. That would be cool. Also, see, I have two jet engine here. Okay. No. See, this is where oh, I didn't know that there were software and game development category. Oh, thanks for that. Interesting. Let me see. Oh, you're right. Huh. Thanks, Peter. Thanks, man. See you around. Or if you enjoy watching me drawing shapes, and creating collision shapes, feel free to hang around. Oh man. Oh, damn it. So, okay. Do you do development as well? Okay. So we have this. I mean, this should actually be ready to go. Ship 4 is ready. And how to add this new super plane. Let's go on my ship data. Oh, name. I mean, the name is not even used. Which shape am I using now? 6. Ship 4 pressed. Let's go on main menu. And then we go on single player. I can't be bothered to press Ctrl+C, Ctrl+V. Really. It's just... I don't know why. It's probably saving 1 millisecond of my time doing with VS Code. I don't know. It's important. All right. He's going to be off screen, isn't he? Yeah. It's going to be off screen. So let's fix that. Let's fix that. What is the main menu? Main menu. Here you go. How can I? Is there a way of kind of a flexbox behavior? That's a good question. Oh, I can change the size of the sprite. Probably is the quickest way, and make it smaller. Doesn't make any difference, to be honest. So what I want to do now is to fix the size of the button. Can set the scale probably. Maybe it's the best way. 0.5. here visible, so I can just see how it looks. Wow. It's not the set scale. Toot, 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 toot. Let's extend. Canvas. How can I? All right, all right. Oh. Yes. Oh, come on. Come on. Great, complete ignored. Fantastic. All right. Godot. Oh, I'm already Godot. Because if the size inside the container, inside of this container, no, that's not what I want. I mean, I go to this. Definitely more space. Lol. Yeah, I mean, that is it cheating? I don't know. I mean, kind of. That way, you know what would be great? A scroller here, where you can scroll your actually, what should I really do is to have kind of the shape here, two little arrow on the bottom. Like okay, it's time to do the mock-up. So so that should be like here is the title, space arena, the best game ever made in the planet Earth. Here. So bigger. We make this bigger. Can I even move this thing? Damn. Okay. Then here I should put here a box with the spread of the plane. The going to draw by hand because I'm a great artist. It is flames, particle effects. And there is a pilot. Pilot is sitting here. Okay. Oh, Paint has got the arrow by default. To import the arrow in Photoshop the other day it took me 5 minutes, while in Paint they're already here. So like here it's a different one. There's a swap. And that gives me a lot of space on this side of the screen where I could put like something like this. Okay, the great space ship of whatever. So to put some lore, was built by an alien and fell from the sky on the second month of the third year after the singularity. And then I could put like more info about more information about the ships, like for example fire. One fire gun or whatever. Don't even know what that means. Shield. For example, 0.5 sec with 1.5 sec cooldown. Yeah, this is like a good idea. And this would definitely be indefinitely scalable, because doesn't matter how many ships, you just need to go through all of those. Yeah, this is a great idea. Huh. I mean, it's so great that even Lofi Girl stopped to admire this. Yeah, I think this is approved. I will do the seal of approval. Approved. Okay. Can I? Can't do shit, can I? Whoa! Can I rotate this? Like a little bit wonky? No. Well, this is approved. Okay. I mean, this is an interesting mock-up. And maybe I can put all the small... I mean, I'm going to have the same issue, just in a different thing. This is Bezos' spaceship. I think I need to put some color here. But anyway, yeah. Approved. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. Probably not now. To do. I don't understand why. Why it doesn't automatically. Why is it coloring it? It should supposed to be colored. Is it a color feature? Kind. So this would have I need to add the lore. So basically now every ship need to have it's already have all the information. Oh, I'm an idiot. Because so I already have the data of the game that I'm already loading. Let's check what we have. Yeah, so all of this information need to go on the spaceship, not on the player. Obviously, this was for testing. But so the difference is going to be that this is going to be all the information is going to be on the ship side, and then I'm going to compose this player 1, player 2 to play the game. Correct. Because those are attributes of the ship in the autoloader from the player autoloader. Because the player autoloader, so you should load the information about the player. Compose the player dictionary. Before okay. But for now, what I want to do is to play with this guy. Oh, because also the speed, at the moment the speed is for the player, but the speed should be for the ship. What I really want to do, to be honest, what I really want to try is to see if I can quickly switch my enemy. It should be pretty straightforward if it's a fun single player. Okay, so I need to add the option. I need to compose everything like here. It shouldn't be too complicated. So let's just do ship 4. So this is fine. So the only difference now is I need to add, because ships all come without the script. So instance of the new player, set script. So let's go on player AI TSC and player AI Godot. That is on in the same folder. Okay, that makes sense. What? A single player, I don't understand. I hate this. I'm used to all the tab on the top. It's just This should do the trick. Error. Error. Oh yeah. Something is really broken. It's not how I need to connect all the things. Well, now I can win. No, no, no. It's a slow death of. See? It's not connected. Okay. It's completely miss. All right. Oh yeah, no, it's yeah. I have all of the different detection area. Okay, yes, definitely. These three, those are the key. Okay, so those three detection area at the moment is how the player see, and obviously they are not on the ship 1, ship 2 and ship 3 scene. So I could probably. I wonder if even better solution is to inject inside this scene the sprite and the collision shape to the. I can map the collision shape because it's constant. That's a good question. Okay. So for now, I'm going to revert back because I need to have a okay. Oh, come on, man. Stop it. Okay. So what's the best way of doing this? Well, I can create. Well, I mean, the easiest way is this. I just create all the enemies for the eye. Importing I can import this like I'm doing here. This I'm importing the scene from player. Will it work? Because it should definitely work, because if I create multiple AI scene, I mean, the only way of actually is to try. So I'm going to duplicate player AI 1. So I'm going here. So now so now I'm going to test if I can use this. Oh, come on. Because, okay, the only thing is that this implies that if but the resource needs to be there anyway, in case we release more stuff. I'm thinking about in a situation where you have the game released, you need to create this scene anyway. So now player 1 is ready. And he's shooting at me. I'm dodging. So now, oof. I have 2 HP left. Okay. So that's a different story. I think that that is a good I don't know what I'm thinking. Is there are kind of 45,000 degrees. I'm melting. My brain is melting. So stop this. So I want an instance of ship 4 here. What? What does it mean? Okay, so I'm going to reparent those to this. Look, there's going to be a little bit of magic happening here. Why ship 1? Did I really pick ship 1? Okay, this is what I want. So let me reparent those. Let me remove this node. Delete. Ship, for instance, need to be called player. But okay, it is fine. Shield and such is here. So this is going to be the scene root. Can't reparent nodes in inert. What? Well, let's get a node. And put everything inside node. Oh, come on. Don't be there. Oh. I want to get a new one because I want to recreate these. Yeah, that's fine. This is not a linked thing anymore. Player, I can clear this. And this is make scene root. What? Can this make scene root? I probably need to recreate it, don't I? I don't want to do this. I'm too lazy. Must be a way. Oh, yes. The old VS player. VS Code. Let's try. So, ooh, oh yeah, because I need to save this. Okay. So now if I do this, wait, I don't know what that means. I mean, yes, woohoo! Is it building? Yeah. 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 When the engine doesn't do what you want, just make it. Just make it do what you need. So now I want to be able to play with this. Let's see. I'm pretty sure it's already working. Which script? Am I already using anyone? Yeah. Ooh. Ooh. Whoops. Bam, bam, bam. Didn't like it. Why? The name itself will block. I'm setting it here. That this is lost somewhere. Ah, yes, that's fine. Let's run the script. What? Oh no! Fuck. Will you see what happened? Where's my fancy switcher room? I deleted the collision area that I didn't want to delete. I mean, that's fine. I'm going to copy and paste it from this. there is a incoming. Let's do the incoming government missile and see if this idea let's grab this. Put it here. Then let's grab a resource number 9. I'm sure the messing up with the indexes is a great idea. Don't really know how they work. It's probably just a incremental number. Okay. Yeah, that's it. So this is the collision shape. The index is 4. Sub-resource number 2. Detection area. No. What is the description of this collision shape? Maybe that's all is needed. This is interesting. Yeah, that's not correct. It is not correct. It's one of these. All right, found those. Okay, the circular shapes. Okay, okay. All right. Yes. Yes. Okay. Okay. I can import the other two as well. Well, yeah, wait, area for firing homing missile. Yes. Detection area, firing homing missile, at fire rate. Okay. Same parent. Oh. This should be index 1. Okay. Yes. It's great. Second one, we are going to grab detection area. Incoming missile, no, I already put that. Detection area for standard bullet. Here you go. Fire rate and collision shape. Here we go. So this index is 5. That should do the trick. And this is impressive, because now I'm going to import the connection. Player AI. And this connection are the same. I mean, this is great. Oh, this is great. See, this is juking on the return. This is even harder for me. Oh. Yeah, I need to avoid all this. Okay, I mean, that's fine. To avoid everything to get stuck. But I'm going to win. When I get stuck, if I get stuck. Because I need to do some kind of juking around. So technically, there is no fire rate cooldown for the missile. As soon as one is gone, you can fire the other one. I think I'm going to implement a kind of that maybe the missile won't tweet directly. This is super odd. It's so unfair. And because it doesn't care. Yes, go. Only if the bullet was lower. This is interesting because you can create a strategy where you maybe have slow bullets, and your gameplay is to fill the whole map of bullets or something like that. That could be an interesting take on the gameplay. But yeah, no, I'm happy with this. So technically I'm using so if I add in this because this is going to be yeah. So no class, they're not really classes, they are instances. Ships. So if I move this here, what are the chances that it updated automatically the script? Well, we'll find out soon enough. Yeah, I didn't like it. That is an easy fix. We're just going here, pick the stuff and chuck it into there. And here we go. Oops. There's Sounds like broken to me. Looks broken to me. So player AI. So that's I'm going to look for those. But basically I don't need those. Unless... Oh no, because if I create a basic one and I use inheritance, I'm going to have the same issue that I was having before. No, I'm happy with those. I'm creating all the different AI. This is pretty nice. Okay. Start to... I'm a little melting. I'm literally melting. So, AW, yeah, sure. Whoop. Let's see what happened. Oh, stop and leave me alone. Oh. Because I can't maneuver. I don't have space. Because when it's too close. But it's okay because it doesn't care. It's playing the right strategy. I should probably do the same. And that's it. Oh. Actually, it's harder than I thought. The reason is I don't understand why his strat to just run at me works. I start to run him doesn't. See, he juked. And with the light twist. Why? It's got tier AI. I think the difference is the first shot. I created God tier AI. That's what I did. Let's be serious. Elon, I know that you are watching. I can help you. Building your whatever AI thing you're building. Just drop me a DM. I think I can remove this. Yeah, this is for the future. It's not used anywhere, is it? So we all know what happened to files that are not used. Remove. Yeah, remove. -1. All right. It is time. I want to do the screen. What I think is a fantastic idea. The new screen. I'm exhausted as well. I can do that. So I'm going to call it a day because I'm literally exhausted. There are, not even joking, 29 degrees. And that's a lot of degrees. And it's 11 in the evening. I mean, 10:30. Okay. So, I think I'm going to wrap it up. Just a commit to the Git. Single small hitbox. Why is it yellow? Oh yeah, because ship is not used. Okay, that's fine. All the file. I need also to yeah, I can't keep keeping everything in one. In one repo. I need to break down the repos. It's not a core feature. It's just project management. I don't know. Yeah, probably project management is the right one. I mean, there must be a spell checker for VS Code. I mean, this is risky because obviously when you're coding, you're not really... I don't really... I don't know, I need to be pretty... Is it? I mean, it seems... Let's try this one. Who cares? Well, the good thing is that it's not even... I mean, come on! What's that thing? I don't really know what that means. Oh, those are the settings for the extension. Extension settings. See, who cares? Ooh. This is the file. So you're telling me it works here. Not really, is it? Okay. Yeah. See, that's the coloring that I wanted since the start. It's here. Why is not spelled checking? You're failing a basic. I probably don't understand what this. No, what did I click? Oh. Huh. Wow. I don't know what I clicked, but basically it opened the GitHub page. Okay, cool. I need to remove this. We are good. Back on track. Was a little bit of side steps, but we're good. So, spend management. Yeah. Probably a way that makes sense is client server raw sources and HTML5 build. Because if I have client server in different repo, I can use different CI. Okay. Okay. All right. And that's it. Pushed on the remote repository. Just checking that everything is there. Yes, everything is there. So I guess that we are done for today. I'm melting. So that's it. I hope to survive the night. Oh no, this file is not saved. Are you kidding me? Oh, for God. What did I change here? I didn't change anything. What are the changes? I don't care. Is it working? This menu is awful. Oh. All right. Yeah, it's doing whatever it's supposed to do, so that's fine. And I guess we're good to go. So thanks for tuning in this fantastic episode where we developed a game, talked about game design, and mocked the new UI. So that is definitely a success. I also need to remember to save that super UI because it's something that is fantastic. Anyway, thanks everyone for watching, and let's see who is online to raid. And we'll see you next time. That it will be Thursday, and probably at some point, maybe a short burst to create the UI that we mocked, and definitely on the weekend. I'll be developing on the Saturday, and I'm going to weblogging on Sunday. So why not? I could video edit on stream, and that's it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.